Hello friends, if you're currently using an Android or Samsung Galaxy phone and when your phone is ringing, it is not vibrating but you'd like to have your phone ring and vibrate at the same time, then this is how you do it. Do swipe up on your phone and tap on settings. Then from here you want to tap on sounds and vibration. Now, under those options at the top where you have sound, vibration, mute, if you look below that slightly, you will see vibrate while ringing. So you can simply toggle it on and now whenever your phone is ringing, it will vibrate at the same time. And if you don't want to have that option on, you can simply toggle it off and leave it off like that. But that's how you basically turn on vibrate while ringing on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, if you have your phone in your pocket or in your bag, this is a very useful feature because this will give you an extra indicator when your phone is ringing and when something is going on your phone. So if your phone is in your pocket and you're somewhere outside and it's very loud, you might not hear it ringing, but you will feel it vibrating in your pocket.